Hello, my name is Dick Crabb and my day job is as a sound engineer. But over the last few weeks of lockdown, I've been helping Dave Johnson, Don Main, Tom White and others to present a series about computer-aided design, CAD. What I'd like to do today is show ways in which we might use these skills, this information, to share with a wider team, the less technical team, in a way that the less technical can take what they need from the plans and relay back questions and comments. The program here that I'm going to be showing you is called Autodesk Design Review. It's free. It's a free legal download. And it shows you the outputs of the plans that the draftsperson would create. Here we're looking at what's called an isometric. It's a kind of 3D view of a plan. Here you can see the seats, the stage, big LED wall, some trussing, entry and exit doors, a camera platform, all the kinds of things you'd see on a plan. This one has other views. Here's the top view, conventional top view, seats, the stage, the truss, a side elevation, and a front view. This kind of thing that you'd be able to share with the clients, give them an idea of what's going on. So I think one of the first things for those of us who don't get to go on a recce and see the room, the question surely is, how big is the room? So this plan will allow you to, it's got a nice little button that says length. Hope you can see the cursor. We're going to click on one end of the wall, down to the other, and there you go, approximately 24 meters, 920 millimeters. It's only approximate because obviously the manufacturers don't want you to scale off this plan. It is very, very accurate, but it can be misinterpreted. There we go, 15 meters and 150 mil. That's because I was a bit ham-fisted at the bottom there. It is exactly, if I'd got it right, it would have shown you exactly 15 meters. One of the other things that I think then is very useful is how to make comments on the plan. There's a little button here that will allow us to create comments. So here you go, you draw a little cloud and come down here, and let's say we want to add a camera riser. Over in the left hand corner you can see the label. It means you could edit your text, get rid of the unnecessary capital for example, and a little drop down box there's for review, questions, and then when the draftsperson has amended the plan they can notify you that something has been done. So let's put this for review. You can do this in any parts of the plan. Here I'm a sound person and Dominic, who originally drew this plan, is a lighting guy. So the PA is obviously in the wrong place. So let's create another little shout out, call out, and move the PA. You can also put in very nice simple little highlights. For example, a venue might want us to be aware that you can't put anything in front of the doors. So you can do some highlighting. It is simple drag and drop, and you can put notes, simple texts in as well if you like. And those can be copy and pasted, Control C, Control V. And if I can get hold of it, just drag it into the right place. One of the other features that I think is potentially really nice is something called a stamp. This is a nice, big, easy way of saying, for example, that you've taken a look at the plan. Oh, did I not get it right? There we go. It's just a little. It is a little slow. The program is quite resource heavy. My poor little machine has only got 8 meg of RAM. What you can see is over here on the left hand side all of the all of the notes, all of the markups that we've made, and you can highlight them and click on them, and it takes you to the page and shows you the notes, which I think is quite a neat feature. You could then, having looked at the plan, reviewed it, made your notes, you can then save it. Oh, you can also save all of the markups. These can be saved as a CSV and imported into Excel as a table for you to see everything that everybody's comments and keep a log of them. So let's just save this as a new file. One of the other neat features is that you can use the program to compare, so that when a new plan comes through and you're not quite sure what's changed, let's go and take a look. So here we go. Tools, compare sheets. I'm going to then drag down a box. It's just popped up on my other screen, and we can pull out a new plan. So let's say that it's been back to the draftsperson who's made some amends. Let's take a look at this particular sheet, and it does a little bit of thinking. It does take time to go and have a cup of tea, and I hope this doesn't go wrong on me, but it should then come up with a list of, or a graphical indication of what has changed. I should have done this as a pre-record, shouldn't I? Anyway, I think this is quite a nice, neat program. It allows everybody to collaborate and share their ideas, gives you a simple view of the plan, and hopefully would allow us to be more effective remotely working. This is still going on. That's my fault. I should have just not done it live, shouldn't I? So one of the other nice features is it's called Compare Sheets, and it allows you to see instantly what has changed between, rather than do it live because it is quite a resource intensive. I'm going to go to one I prepared earlier in the finest Blue Peter traditions, and you can see that on the next version of the plan, the PA has indeed been moved from one position to another. And as you can see, it's nicely nice and simple, shown from green the old to red the new. I think that's quite a neat feature. Anyway, I like this program. I think it's very user friendly. It is free, and it is a great way of collaborating one's ideas and sharing it with a wider team. Thank you for watching.